Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 65 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is find the genre of the person with most number of Oscar winnings, and this question got asked in Netflix. So the question is find the genre of the person with the most number of Oscar winnings. If there are more than one person with the same number of Oscar wins, return the first one in alphabetic order based on their name. Use the names as keys when joining the tables. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to find the person with the most number of Oscar wins, and then we have to return the genre of that person. One more thing is mentioned here that if there are multiple persons with same number of Oscar wins, then we have to arrange the table in alphabetic order, and then we have to return the top person's genre. Okay, so this is what we have to do. We are given two tables here. First is Oscar nominee, and second is nominee information. Let's see Oscar nominee table. So in this, we have this information: year, category, nominee, movie, winner, and ID. Then in nominee information, sorry, then we have another table that is nominee information. In this, we have name of that person, ID, top genre, birthday, and ID. Okay. So what we have to do, the common column given here is name of that person. So we are going to join these two tables based on that. So let's name this as O, join nominee information N on O dot nominee is equal to N dot name. Okay, let's run this. We have joined these two tables. Okay, so from here, we are going to select the columns which are important to us. So we are going to select nominee, then winner, and then top genre column. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, so we are getting this. So now what we have to do, we have to find out the persons who genre of that person with most number of Oscar winning. So in the winner table, 0 is like the person hasn't won an Oscar, and 1 represent one person has won the Oscar. So we are going to select only those column, only those rows where the winner value is 1. So I'm going to write down where winner equals to 1. Let's run this. Okay. Now one person has only one genre. So now we have to find out one person has won Oscar how many times, like their count. So we are going to do it for all the unique nominee. So whenever we have to do something unique, we use group by. So I'm going to group by on nominee. And then I'm going to find out how many times they have won an Oscar. So I'm going to sum it. Let's name this as Oscar win. Okay. Now let's run this. So we are getting this person's name, Oscar win, top genre. And now what we have to do, we have to find out the persons who has won most number of Oscar. So we are going to what? We are going to order by on column Oscar win in descending order. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so this person's name is coming. He has won Oscar 3 times and the top genre is drama. Okay, now as mentioned in the question, what if there are multiple records of different people who has won the same number of Oscars? So in that case, we have to return the first one in alphabetic order. Okay, so we have to arrange it based on the nominee's name, and whichever name is coming first, we have to return that. Okay, so here only 3 is that this person is the only person who has won most number of units. So it is fine, but as mentioned in the question, that is why I added this part. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to use this common table expression with CTE as, and from here, I'm going to write down select star from CTE. Let's run this. And from here, I'm going to return top genre of the person who has won most number of Oscar. So here I'm going to put limit 1. Let's run this. So the top genre is coming as drama. So this is our query. Now let's see the expected output. So in the expected output as well, the top genre is coming as drama. So it is matching. Now let's submit our solution to check whether it is correct or not. So our solution got submitted. So our query is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. We first filtered out those people who has won the Oscar. Then we found out number of Oscar won by each person, and then we ordered it based on the number of Oscar won. And then we find out the person's genre who has won most number of Oscar. So this is the approach that we used. So yeah, this is all about this query. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.